Thousands of UPS workers are losing their jobs. And Amazon might be the reason why. What's really happening behind the scenes? In early 2025, UPS announced massive layoffs. More than 12,000 employees are being let go. Why? One big reason is Amazon. Let me explain. A few years ago, Amazon was UPS's biggest customer. But now, Amazon is building its own delivery network. Planes, trucks, drivers, all under Amazon. That means they don't need UPS as much anymore. As a result, UPS has fewer packages to deliver, and that means fewer jobs. But that's not the only problem. The economy is slowing down, online shopping is shrinking, and delivery companies everywhere are cutting costs. UPS is trying to stay profitable, but at a huge cost to its workers. This situation shows us how automation, competition, and tech giants are changing the job market fast. And it's not just UPS. This could be a sign of what's coming for other companies too. Do you think Amazon is to blame for these layoffs? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real updates like this.